must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. You are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know you. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my...
Happy birthday, Lola! We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless you.
What are you? Ayaw ba?
Ulit.
you pa kasi.
Oh.
Kitang-kita naman niya kami mo eh. Kitang-kita pa rin.
Magbilang ka na lang. 1, 2, 3 dan. 1, 2, 3.
Titigil nyo sa video, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Lola! We wish you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless.
Hello, kamusta po sa lahat? Gusto ko po sanang batiin si Lola na happy birthday. Saka pasensya na po Lola, hindi po ako nakauwi sa birthday nyo. Sana ho, masaya ho ang inyong special na araw. At gusto ko lang po sanang paalam sa inyo na mahal po namin kayong lahat dahil ho, kundi po dahil sana sa inyo, wala ho kami dito sa mundong ito. Kaya Lola, happy birthday uli, galing kay Rico. O sige po, ingat.
Hi Lola! Kamusta na po kayo? Happy 100th birthday po sa inyo. Nako, pasensya na po kayo Lola. Hindi po kami makakarating sa kaarawan ninyo. Kami po ni na Grace, ni Nat, ni Alice, ni Ate Marisa, tsaka po si Abe. So, sa December po, this year na tayo magkikita-kita. So, 100, happy birthday po uli sa inyo. And I wish you all the best, Lola. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. I love you po. I love you, Lola.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hi Lola, ito po si Nat, Grace, and Alice. Bumabati ng happy birthday galing Canada.
Happy birthday.
We wish you happiness and more birthdays to come.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello everybody, greetings from Kilkenny, Ireland. I'm Kieran.
I'm Tim, and this is Joy. Wish you were there with all of you.
Grandma Lola, wishing you a happy 100th birthday.
Hope you have a great party. Sláinte.
Pati yung party.
Ako naman sasabi ng line mo, Meg.
Sinabi ko po kay Tita Maddie na mag-anak na.
Ayun, kaya pagpatuloy niyo po kaming ipagdasal para magkatotoo na po.
Happy birthday,
Okay,
Century
bye-bye!
Lola!
Mahal po namin kayo!
Hi, Lola! Maligayang bati!
Maligayang bati, Lola. Happy 100th birthday. Bibisitahin po namin kayo pretty soon. So, antayin niyo po kami dyan at pupuntahan namin po kayo. Bye-bye!
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan.